Right, here we go, 380. Look at that. The mighty eagle. Hang on. Hang on. Is this the expo? Oh wow, it is. The Dubai Expo going over the top. Wow. Wow. The Dubai Expo. Whoa. She's a good noise, isn't she, the old Emirates Expo? The other ones went out delivery time noisy. They howl. But not except for this guy. That guy. We will be flying to Los Angeles. I think next week we'll be Dubai to Hong Kong, folks. All August will be all new routes from Dubai. Right. So then, folks, back to the update.